Hello everyone, this is Swaroop2sky and this is the special video on pandas, Python pandas. We are going to talk about Python pandas. For just introduction, what is the power of Python pandas? So to know the power of Python pandas, as we already studying Python, a programming language, and we are dealing with a library named Panda. We have already learned NumPy library, Matplotlib library, even pandas too. This is the special video on pandas power. So talking about pandas, before that we should know what does pandas mean. Pandas can be written as these pandas, and this pan defines panel data system. Pandas has been derived from panel data system. It is a multi-dimensional and structural data sets. And Pandas is a Python's library for data analysis. Panel data system, which is an econometric form term from multi-dimensional structured data sets. And today Panda has become popular choice for data analysis. As you must be aware that data analysis refers to the process of evaluating big data sets using analytic and statistical tools so as to discover useful information and conclusion to support business decision making. Pandas make available various tools for data analysis and make it a simple and easy process as compared to other available tools. The main author of Pandas is Wes McKinney. And in this video, we will introduce Python pandas and its data structure, that is series and data frame, with some useful functions and data structures. We are playing with pandas series. In that playlist, we have made a lot of codes determining how pandas library work. Now introducing pandas. It is an open source BSD library. Now what does BSD mean? BSD means Berkeley Software Distribution. These are some features of pandas.